न मैंने लंदन देखा न पेरिस देखा। मैंने देखा है अपना भारत। वह भारत जहां यहाँ की मिट्टी, यहाँ की धरती को माँ कहा जाता है, भारत माता कहा जाता है।
भारत की महिलाओं को माँ के रूप में पूजा जाता है और भारत की बेटियों को देवी स्वरूप माना जाता है।
परंतु इनकी भी कुछ ऐसी समस्याएं हैं।
In India's bustling metro cities, millions of residents trek daily to markets, offices, and public spaces, yet the basic need for clean, safe toilets remains woefully unmet. Sulabh complexes, meant to be a beacon of sanitation, are often dirty, poorly maintained, and hard to locate, leaving women especially vulnerable. Inside crowded market lanes, there's rarely a place to change sanitary pads, forcing many to hold urine for hours and endure discomfort. This lack of hygienic facilities not only hampers dignity but also impacts health and productivity.
Now we are introduce EcoPrivy, Mobile Sustainable Sanitation Hub, a smart, app-based, self-contained vehicle that functions as a fully equipped restroom on wheels. It combines a flushing toilet, sink with running water, and 2 drinking water coolers, all powered by roof-mounted solar panels as well as an electric charging facility. IoT sensors monitor waste levels, water usage, and system health in real time.
Key features of the Smart EcoPrivy vehicle. App-based locator and navigation. Users can instantly see the nearest unit on a map. The vehicle automatically repositions to the closest spot or stays anchored at markets and other public hubs. Renewable energy, 100% solar panels with onboard battery storage keep the system running off-grid. Water management, integrated freshwater tanks, greywater recycling, and sealed wastewater containment reduce environmental impact. Smart monitoring, IoT sensors feed a real-time dashboard, letting operators track waste levels, water usage, and system health for predictive maintenance. Premium interior, low maintenance, modern materials, bright lighting, climate control, and comfortable fixtures create a dignified user experience. Use and applications of EcoPrivy Smart Vehicle. Outdoor festivals, concerts, sports events, construction and industrial work zone, filmset and production crews. Disaster relief and emergency shelters, remote tourism sites, parks and campgrounds, public gatherings, markets and fairs.
विकसित भारत बिल्डशन में समृद्ध भारत के अंतर्गत बनाया गया प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया विकसित भारत के संकल्प को पूर्ण करने में सार्थक साबित होगा। धन्यवाद।